bienvenue. In French, we have 26 alphabets like English. Let us learn the pronunciation of them. First, let's revise the rules that I taught you in my earlier video. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video first. Now let's start with the rules. First rule is for vowel A. Vowel A has two sounds in French, a and a. If a word begins with vowel A, then its pronunciation will be a. Second rule is, when vowel A comes in between a word, then it will be pronounced as a. If 2A come in between a word, then first A is pronounced as a and second A is pronounced as a. Same rule applies for vowel I and vowel U. And when there is N consonant at the end, there will be nasal sound. Means you have to speak that word from your nose. Let's start the alphabets. First alphabet is A. A. The pronunciation is A. The word is avion. Avion. Because the avion word is beginning with vowel A. So the pronunciation will be avion, not avion. It is avion. The meaning is plain. Next is B. Pronunciation is B. The word is ballon. Ballon. Now, as you can see, I have highlighted vowel A here. So, A is coming in between word ballon. So, the pronunciation will be A for vowel A. So, the word is ballon. Ballon means ball. Next is C. The pronunciation is C. And the word is crayon. As you can see, A is coming in between a word. So, crayon means pencil. Next is D. The pronunciation is D. As I told you in my earlier video, in French, D and T both have very soft sound. T is T and D is D, not D. It's D. So the word is dauphin. Dauphin means dolphin. Next is E. Pronunciation is E. The word is école. École means school. Next is F. The pronunciation is same, F. The word that is beginning with alphabet F is fleur, means flower. Next is G. G is pronounced as J in French and J is pronounced as G in French. It is vice versa from English. So G is pronounced as J. The word is glass. Glass. Ice cream. Next is H. The pronunciation is H. The word is horloge, means wall clock. H is always silent in French. We will not speak H alphabet in French language. So it will be horloge, not horloge, it is horloge, wall clock. Next is I. The pronunciation is E. The word is Indian, means Indian. Here I have highlighted two I's. So as I told you in the rules, first I has the sound of I and second I has the sound E. Indian, meaning is Indian. Next is J. The pronunciation is G. The word that begins with the alphabet J is jardin. Jardin means garden. Next is K. Pronunciation is Ka. The word is konguhu. Konguhu means kangaroo. Next is L. Pronunciation is L. The word is leaf means book. Leaf. I is coming in between the words, so sound will be stretched. E. Leaf means book. Next is M. The pronunciation is M. Maison. Maison means house. Next is N. Pronunciation is N. The word that begins with alphabet N is knee. Because the last consonant will not be pronounced, so knee means nest. Next is O. Pronunciation is O. The word that begins with alphabet O is orange, means orange. Next is P. Pronunciation is P. The word is papillon. Papillon. Because both of the vowels are coming in between the word, so A has the sound A and I has the sound E. Papillon means butterfly. Next is Q. Pronunciation is Q. And the word is K. Q-U-E has sound K. So meaning is tail. Next is R. Pronunciation is R. The word begins with the alphabet R is robe, means dress. Next is alphabet S. The pronunciation is S. The word is stilo. Stilo. T has very soft sound. So it will not be pronounced as T. It is T. Stilo means pen. Next is T. Pronunciation is te. The word is tortue. Tortue means tortoise. Next alphabet is U. The pronunciation is U. U. And the word is uniform. Uniform. I is coming in between, so sound has E. Uniform. Uniform. Next is V. Pronunciation is way. Voiture. Voiture. Same rule. I is coming in between, so voiture means car. Next is W. Pronunciation is W. W. Like 2V. Double V. W. The word is wagon. Wagon. Meaning is wagon. Next is X. Pronunciation is X. The word is xylophone. Xylophone. Meaning is xylophone. Next is Y. 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 The word is ewe. Means eyes. Next is Z. Pronunciation is Z. Z. The word is zebra. Zebra. The meaning is zebra. Zebra. So these are the 26 alphabets like we have in English, but the pronunciation is completely different from English. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.